guys, Cute Oranges here, and in today's video, I'll be making marshmallow slime. The ingredients you'll need is a bowl or something to mix in, something to mix with. I'm using a plastic spoon. You also need lotion, but this is optional. I just like to make mine like soft and like stretchy. And then you also need some activator. You can use any kind that you want. I'm using borax and water. And then you'll need some shaving cream. So, let go. Forgot to mention this because it was not on the screen, but you'll need glue. It's just that I have a gallon of glue and it's too big to fit in like this small frame. So, yeah. Glue. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is pour your glue into your bowl like this. Oh my god, it almost went into the slime. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this, but like, you can dye it if you want to. I just want to make it white, because like marshmallows are white, so yeah. So I have that much glue in it. So now what you want to do is take your shaving cream and put more shaving cream than glue. Like so. Like that. Now, take your spoon and stir it all up. Now that that's in there, I was gonna use the raspberry and rose lotion, but I decided to use coconut because like it's white and coconuts are white on the inside. So I'm just gonna take some of this and pour it in. Ta-da! I have some on my spoon. Okay, there. Now that that's in, I might add more later, but now you just want to stir it all in. Now what you want to do is take your activator and pour some in. Oops. Nope, that was good. Okay. Now, stir it. Okay, I'm just gonna stir this off camera and then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay, fast forward. Okay, so I just stirred the mixture. Now I'm gonna knead it with my hands and like just collect all that extra stuff up. So let me just move this to a view where you could see it. Okay. Ready? Just like roll it on the edge. I'm just trying to pick it all up. Okay, I think that's enough. So, let's just see if this is good to my liking. Yeah, look how nice that looks. Look, hear the fluffiness. I made another batch like a few days ago, and let me just show you it. This one. Look. Let me just mix it. Look, listen to like the noise of slime, marshmallow slime. It's not that good to poke, but it's good to like play around with, you know? Okay. Well, this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what other slimes you would like to make that you don't see other YouTubers making and stuff. And I have a whole bunch of different plans to make. Oh, by the way, I recently posted like an LPS video, and I'm going to post a whole bunch more. So stay tuned, and bye guys. See ya in my next video.